Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you could change your ringtone on this Panasonic telephone. So what you want to do is, before I get to the video, I'm going to be going over some basic stuff before I do that. This telephone used to be my grandmother's telephone, so she's letting me have it, so that's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change it. And we're going to be listening to this time. Whenever you want to change your ringtone, you got to press this button. Go to the menu right here, if you guys can see that or not. Can you guys see? Okay. Well, you got to press this button. Oh, hold on, I messed up. Hold on. You want to press it 3 more times, and you want to, oh. Yep, we're going to be listening to the ringtones. Select any ringtone you want. So let's say I want to select number 2. I will select number 2. So this bit I wanted number 2. Like that. So oh, sorry guys, this is just the volume. Now let's say I want number 3. So yeah. Let's pretend I wanted that one. Or this one. Sorry, I drilled, guys. Alright. If you guys think that's all, that's not really all of it is. So we have to. Number 5. And you got. Alright, number 3. Alright guys, that's how all the ringtones there is on this Panasonic telephone. But anyway, excuse me. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Alright guys, I have to get going. If you guys like this telephone video, I actually did a couple back at home. Back in Easter time. I remember I told you about those telephones back in Easter time. So alright, I'll see you guys later. And Happy New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's Day, okay? Bye.